Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is James, and today I'm going to show you 10 common English mistakes that people make every day, and how to fix them. Let's get started. 1. He don't like it. Statement X apostrophe. Use doesn't with he, she, it. No am needed. 3. She is very beautiful girl. She is a very beautiful girl. Always use a or an before singular nouns. 4. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. After didn't, use the base form. 5. He is good in English. He is good at English. Say good at, not good in. 6. She married a doctor. She married a doctor. No with after married. 7. I am looking forward to see you. I am looking forward to seeing you. After to, use ing. Note, I didn't knew that. Yes, I didn't know that. Use base form after didn't. 9. Let's discuss about it. Let's discuss it. Know about after discuss. 10. She is more better than me. Yes, she is better than me. Better already means more good. 11. I didn't told him. I didn't tell him. Use base form after didn't. 12. He is very angry on me. He is very angry with me. We say angry with, not on. 13. I am thinking to go there. Yes, I am thinking of going there. After think of, use ing. 14. I prefer coffee than tea. Yes, I prefer coffee to tea. Say prefer to, not than. 15. I didn't finish my work. I didn't finish my work. Base form after didn't. 16. Since morning. I am here since morning. Use have been here since morning. For time till now. Also, 17. He is married with 2 kids. Jack and comma, it is married and has 2 kids. Don't say married with kids. She told me the truth. Use told someone, not said someone. I am listening to music. Always listen to. 19. He is my cousin brother. He is my cousin. Cousin already includes brother, sister. 21. She is more taller than me. Jack and comma, she is taller than me. No more with 22. I didn't slept well. I didn't sleep well. Base form after didn't. 23. I am having a car. Jackin have a car. Don't use am having for possession. 24. I am here from 2 hours. Jackin I have been here for 2 hours. Use have been with for or since. 25. I didn't knew what happened. Jackin didn't. I didn't know what happened. 26. Dot. She said me to go. Dot. She told me to go. We say told me, not said me. 27. He is married with a teacher. Dot. He is married to a teacher. We say married to. 28. I am interesting in music. I am interested in music. Interesting describes something. Interested describes a person. 29. She is boring person. Dot. She is a boring person. Don't forget a. Period 40. I am going to home. Dot. I am going home. No to before home. 31. He is more older than me. Dot. He is older than me. No more with 32. He didn't wrote it. Dot. He didn't write it. 33. I am here from 5 years. Dot. I have been here for 5 years. 34. I didn't ate breakfast. Dot. I didn't eat breakfast. 35. He is good in math. Dot. He is good at math. 36. She is afraid from dogs. Dot. Dot. 44. Is. He is already taken of acting from dogs. Dot. Dot. Is. He is good at math. Dot. She is afraid of dogs. Period 37. He is married with her, or he is married to her. 38. She is better than me in singing, or she sings better than me. 39. I am feeling myself tired, or I am feeling tired. 40. I am doing a mistake. I am making a mistake. 41. I didn't saw him. I didn't see him. 42. I didn't heard you, or I didn't hear you. 43. I am waiting you. I am waiting for you. P44. X. He explained me the rule. X. He explained the rule to me. X. I am agree with you. I agree with you. X. She told that she will come. X. She said that she will come. X. He is responsible of this. X. He is responsible for this. X. I am good in cooking. X. I am good at cooking. X. 49. She is more prettier than me. X. She is prettier than me. X. 50. He didn't came. X. He didn't come. I am waiting since 2 hours. 52. She said me sorry. I am agree on that. 54. She's very tired to work. She's too tired to work. 56. I didn't understood. I didn't understand. 58. I didn't saw her yesterday. I didn't see her yesterday. 59. He's my real cousin brother. He's my cousin. I am here from yesterday. 61. He's good in football. He's good at football. 62. She's afraid from spiders. 63. I am looking forward for it. I am looking forward to it. 64. He said me a secret. He told me a secret. No, I am not agree. Begin with D. I am not agree. C. I didn't took it. Best. I didn't take it. 7. No, I didn't think about to go. I am thinking about going. 70. He is taller than me. 80. She is smarter than him. 72. No, I am listening songs. I am listening to songs. 73. I didn't finished yet. I haven't finished yet. 74. I'm doing my homework now. 75. He didn't go there. 76. I am having headache. I have a headache. 77. She is my cousin's sister. She is my cousin. 78. I am here from long time. 78. I have been here for a long time. I have been here for a long time. I didn't drink it. 80. He is good in cooking. Plus, he is good at cooking. 81. I am tired to work. Plus, I am tired of working. 82. I didn't made that. Plus, I didn't make that. 83. She is better than me in dance. Plus, she dances better than me. 84. I didn't did that. Plus, I didn't do that. 85. I am agree with you completely. Plus, I completely agree with you. 86. He didn't came yesterday. Plus, I didn't do that. He didn't come yesterday. Plus, 87. She told me that she can't able to come. Plus, she told me she couldn't come. 88. I am very good in English. Plus, I am very good at English. 89. He is senior than me. Plus, he is senior to me. 90. I didn't gave it. Plus, I didn't give it. 91. She said me happy birthday. Plus, she said happy birthday to me. 92. I am waiting you since morning. Plus, I have been waiting for you since morning. 93. Not, he is afraid from darkness. Check, he is afraid of darkness. 94. She married with him. Check, she married him. 95. I am agree to you. Check, I agree with you. 96. He didn't tell me. 97. I am thinking to buy it. Check, I am thinking of buying it. 98. She is more older than me. Check, she is older than me. 99. I didn't wrote it. Check, I didn't write it. P. 100. He is good in singing. Check, he is good at singing. That's it for today. Check, keep practicing these and your English will sound more natural every single day.